Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7. I myself, Revati Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. I hope that you have completed your previous homework. Today, I shall discuss with you division of decimals of chapter 3 decimals. Division of decimals. Dear students, first of all, divide decimal number. Example, decimal number, decimals divided by 10, 100 and thousands. Write one decimal number 52.4 52.4 divided by 10 equal to, when divided by 10, 1 0 after 1, so decimal shifted 1 plus right to left, so decimal is after 5.24. Now 52.4 divided by 100 equal to, here 52.4 divided by 20 after 1. So decimal shifted 2 plus right to left. So 0.524. Next 52.4 divided by 1000. 52.4 is divided by 30 after 1, 1 to 3. So decimal shifted 3 plus right to left, 1, 2, 3. So 4, 2, 5, 0. So 0.05 answer. Write it. Now division of decimal number via whole number. As for example 6.25 divided by 5. In this method, 6.25 divided by 5. So 6.25. 5 1 ja 5. 6 minus 5, 1. Now after decimal digit, brought for division 2. So in quotient, keep a decimal. 5 2 ja 10. 2. Now 5 brought for division. So 5 5 ja 25. In this method, decimals divided by whole number. Next example, decimals divided by decimal number. So example 62.5 divided by 2.5. 62.5 divided by 2.5. Write it. 62.5 by 2.5. After decimal, both have one decimal places. 0.5, 0.5. So multiply by change, it change into 625 by 25. We have to change denominator in whole number. Now divide 625 by 25. 625. So 25 to the 50. 2 minus 0 2. 6 minus 5 1. Now about 5. Now 25 5 the 125. So write it. And dear students, with the help of these, my dear students, one important question, exercise 3D of chapter 3 decimals, question number 8. The total cost of 24 chairs is rupees 9255.60. Find the cost of each chair. Total cost of 24 chair is rupees 9255.60. So find the cost of each chair. The cost, question number 8, solve. The cost of each chair equal to rupees 9255.60 divided by 24. So divide it. Rupees 9255.60 divided by 24. 24 3 ja 3 time 24 3 ja 72. 2 minus 2 0. 9 minus 7 2. Draw 5. 205. 24 8 ja 192. 5 minus 2 3. 10 minus 9 1. 1 minus 1 cancel. So now 5 again. 24 5 ja 120. So 5 1 1 1 cancel. Now taken decimal point in quotient after decimal digit 6 come here. Now 24 4 ja 24 6 ja 144. Now 2 1 cancel. Come here 0. So 24 5 ja 120. 24 5 ja 120. So cancel it. Answer rupees 385.65. Answer of this question. Next question. It is very important question of this exercise. Question number 17. The product of two decimals is 261.36. If one of them is 17.6, find the other. The other number. The other number equal to. Product of two number is 261. 17.36 and one number is 17.6. First of all, denominator change into like decimals, so write 0 here. Both decimals have same equal decimal places, so decimals are cancelled. Now cancels by 4 times. 4 times. 4 for the 16. 4 for the 16. 0. It is also cancel it 4 times. 4 6 the 24. 2 1. 4 5 the 20. 1 3 30. 4 3 the 12. 1 6 4 4 the. Now cancel it 11 times. 11 times. 11 4 the 44 and 0. 11 5 the 55. 11 5 the 55. So 103. 11 9 the 99. 99. 4. 11 4 the. Now cancel by 2 times. So 22 the. It is also cancelled 2 times. 2 2 the 4. 1 9. 2 9 the 18. 2 9 the 18 and 2 7 the. Now divide 297 by 20. So here 20 297. One time 20. 9 7. 2 cancel. 4 time 24 ja 80. So 7 1. Decimal here 28 ja 160. Now 0 1. Here decimal, so here 0. 25 ja 100. Cancel. Answer other number equal to 14.85 answer. Write it and solve exercise 3D. Thanks you. That's all.